I, Dipender Khandelwal from Jaipur Engineering College, Cocos. Today, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about type of crystal structure. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the semiconductor substrate. As we all of you know about semiconductor and substrate, or in other form we can say that is wafer. In this lecture, we have studied about type of crystal structure. The crystal structure is divided into two parts, or we can say that is a combination of lattice plus bases, that is known as a crystal structure. Lattice lattice is nothing but a three-dimensional view of semiconductor, and other thing bases the substrate, that is the base of any semiconductor material. Crystal structure is defined with the help of a unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest part of the crystal, and if we combine repeating element of unit cell, a crystal structure is formed. There are three main varieties of these crystal. These are as follow. First one, simple cubic, or that is also known as primitive cubic. Second one, BCC, or body centered cubic. Third one, FCC, face centered cubic. In the given figure, we can show the different three structures: simple cubic, BCC, and FCC. It is clearly seen in simple cubic. Each corner of unit cell contain a atoms, whereas in BCC, or body centered cubic, similar to simple cubic, that means each corner of unit cell contain a atom plus a additional atom is placed between the unit cell. And third one, FCC, as we can show in structure, FCC contained a atom at different corner, along with it has a atom at each faces. Now come to first one, simple cubic unit cell. The simple cubic unit cell is the smallest repeating unit in the simple cube structure, as we earlier studied. In this case, one atom or ion lies at each corner of the cube. This is seen in the diagram. Since only 1/8 of each corner sphere lies within the unit cell, hence simple cubic unit cell contain a total of 1/8 multiplied by 8 equal to 1 atoms or ion. There are other two important parameters for analysis of crystal structure, that is volume occupied and space. The volume occupied by the particle in simple cubic unit cell is around 52.6%, and the open space in this cell is 47.6%. Second one, crystal structure BCC, or body centered cubic unit cell. In this case, one atom or ion lies at each corner of the cube, and one atom or ion lies at the center of the cube, that is clearly seen in the diagram. Thus, the contribution of 8 corner is 1, while that of the body center is 1 in the unit cell. Hence, the overall total number of atom per unit cell is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 atom or ion. 1 here, 1 is due to simple cubic, and another one is due to body centered. The other important parameter, the volume occupied by the particle in body-centered cubic unit cell is 68%, whereas open space in this cell is 32%. Another one crystal structure is FCC, face-centered cubic unit cell. In this case, one atom or ion lies at each corner of the cube and one atom or ion lies at the center of each face of the cube. It may be noted that only 1 by 2 of each sphere lies within the unit cell and there are 6 such faces, that is clearly seen in the diagram of FCC. The total contribution of 8 corner is 1, while that of 6 faces centered atom is 3 in the unit cell. Hence, the overall total number of atoms per unit cell is 1 plus 3 equal to 4 atoms or ions. We can explain in other way in FCC, that is the combination of simple cubic along with 6 faces centered. Due to simple cubic 1 atom and due to 6 faces it contains 3 atoms. That means the total number of atoms per unit cell is 4 atoms or ion. The volume occupied by the particles in FCC is 74% and open space is 26%. Here a orientation of unit cell is shown. The unit cell, that is the base of crystal structure. That's why we are here to explain this one. In this orientation, we can see the unit cell is divided into three axes x, y, z that contain different axes by one unit. That's why that is the unit cell. The repeating elements of unit cell is the combination or form to crystal structure. FCC diamond structure. Diamond is also a crystal structure that is in the form of face centered cubic units, that is shown in figure. Diamond is a crystal structure with a face centered cubic unit, brevis lattice and 2 atoms in the bases as shown in figure. Carbon, silicon, germanium and alpha tin form this crystal structure. In this different crystal, as we have studied, is shown with by the contribution of atom in different cubic unit cell. Simple cubic, BCC and FCC. Next one, the number of atom per unit cell in cubic closed pack structure of atoms. On the basis of above description, as we earlier studied, the number of atom or ions per unit cell for different structure of atom is summarized in following table. There are 3 crystal structure: simple cubic, body centered and third one is face centered. The number of atoms at corner in simple cubic contain 1 corner, in a BCC contain 1 corner, in FCC contain similar to 1 corner. At center, simple cubic and FCC have no center atom, but BCC have one center atom. If we talk about faces, in simple cubic and BCC have no faces, but in FCC that contain 3 atoms in phases. If we talk about volume occupied by the particles in simple cubic, that is nearby around 52.4%, in BCC, that is around 68 volume occupied by the particles, and in FCC, that is 74%, that is in crystal structure. Thanks for the listening.